Let's add triplets to your grooves. And it's dead simple because all you got to do is play right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. As a triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. But how do we make that sound groovy? Here's how. 3, 4. What we're doing is squeezing some triplets into an eighth note groove. So let's sort out that eighth note groove. In the right hand, we're going to play eighth notes on the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But we're going to switch this around a little bit because we're going to play snare drum on 2 in the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and normally we'd put a snare drum on 4 in the left hand. However, we're actually going to move the right hand down. So we get 4, and then the right hand comes back up to the hi-hat, and. Put that together, 1 and 2 and 3 and right, right. And now we'll break this in half as we add in the bass drums. So beat 1 and 2, we've got bass drums on 1 and the and of 1, 1 and 2 and. Get that comfy, 1 and 2 and then we get beat 3, which is the triplet beat. So we're going to get right, left, left, right, left, left. And that hi-hat is going to still fall with your eighth notes. So 3 and that hi-hat is also going to fall with the bass drum. So 3 and then we get right, right at the end. So right, right. Stick that all together nice and slow. And 2 and 3 triplet and triplet 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Get it really, really comfortable. Try and use a bounce as you play that double left. Just makes things a little bit smoother. But up to speed, you get this. And you've just added triplets to your grooves. Enjoy.